Yeah, this man lost in a bitch. He don't stop in the middle of traffic. Oh shit! Oh shit! Yo, that truck almost got rammed. He think his shit cool. He like, yeah, I'm finna just slide out real quick. Like, damn, bro. I would have did the same thing. Like, what the fuck is this police car doing? I'm like, bro, I gotta get to work and shit, bro. Like, y'all niggas playing around in the road. Phew! Yeah, nah, bro. I'd have fucking, my pants would have been like, probably full of stains. Damn. He almost got towed up. Alright, we got the thumbnail. Alright, so how y'all boys' day going, bro? Like, nigga, it's early. This is my first time waking up early in a minute, man. Shout out to Alabama, too, bro. Hopefully we can win this game this weekend against Indiana. Hope y'all having a so fresh and so clean day. It's been a little minute since I reacted, too, bro. Nigga don't grow out his beard and shit. Nigga don't, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Y'all make sure y'all subscribe. Alright, so like I said, Mercedes versus GSP. I don't know what's gonna happen here. Let me know if the sound too loud. It was kind of loud when I heard it. I had to turn my headphones down a little bit, but that don't really help for y'all boys, you know what I'm saying? It might still be loud. But how slow that car is for the police to be passing him, bro. Brother's got the slowest car. He's scared to drive. One of the two. That nigga must got a supercharged V6 in his shit. The other patrol car ain't had no chance. And mind you, this is a regular, this is a fairly regular Mercedes. I don't think he gets away. If this is him, then shit, he cooked. They got a regular CLA, bro. Trying to get away in the CLA. That ain't the AMG, my boy. It's not the AMG, my boy. You got the 16-year-old, my dad's a doctor or a lawyer car. They gonna get his ass in, bro. He cooked. That CLA only go probably like 120. He is cooked. If they pit him, this is over with. Yep, I knew it was a CLA 250. Look, bro. Like typical, I just got my first car, but my dad has a decent amount of money. Yeah, he's getting pitted. They don't even give a fuck that there's other cars on the road. I wouldn't do it right now. I'll wait a little bit. Oh man, now he driving on the wrong side of the road. I already know it's about to get ugly, y'all boys. Y'all make sure y'all like the video if y'all made it this far, bro. It helps the channel a lot. Helps me grow. Trying to get more of these videos out for y'all. Everybody get pitted. And that shit's so fucked, bro. He went into a ditch. Getting pitted gotta be the worst. I feel like that should be kind of illegal, bro. Like, you kind of put somebody's life in danger. I guess the argument is that the driver putting everybody else's life in danger on the road, but like, god damn, bro. Look, that shit fucked, man. Nigga probably broke an arm, broke a leg, neck probably fucked up. And then they should. Oh, shit. Damn, bro, look what happened to the car. Nigga, I thought it was a. Bro. I thought this shit was a regular car accident, bro. I thought he went into the ditch. This nigga, like, back end tore up, front end tore up. Ain't even look like he did all that, did he? Now he got guns on him. They did not play around, bro. Boys looking inside, bro. Whoa, they got out the car that fast? The horn is honking. Whoa, they got a car that fast? Whoa! Whoa, where did they go, bro? These niggas turned into Houdini. Y'all boys, to get out the car that fucking quick, bro, he turned around. It took him like 10 seconds to turn around, and they don't know where they're at. They're nowhere to be found. Y'all sure that car was driving? Bro, what? Them boys had to go into the woods. These boys over here are going the wrong way, bro. If my car went and it's facing this way, I more than likely would just run straight.
Like it rolled upward.
Rolled over? They said the car rolled over. I don't know if they're gonna find these boys.
Hey, take the trunk right quick. Go ahead.
Do you know if you have any control car damage?
Drop it in the comments now. Y'all think they gonna find these boys? Drop it in the comments what you think, man. They fucked that car up though, bro. If y'all were in this predicament, your car's faced this way, you probably just rolled over. Would you run straight, like going over here into these bushes, or would you run back here? Me personally, I think I'll run to the woods over here. They looking under the car, they looking everywhere, bro. These niggas are gone, bro.
Huh? What'd he say? Hey! Hey! Go ahead and turn him around.
They don't got no dogs, no canine. I guess they ain't, I don't even know if the dog can pick up a scent.
Turn him around.
I don't know if they're gonna escape the cops or not.
Huh?
I don't know, God. These boys seem pretty lost. It's crazy because nobody went to the left side. They don't know where they went, bro. That shit happened way too quick. And the fact that nobody saw them. Nobody saw them. Like, these boys thinking they still in the car, bro. I don't even know what they looking for in the car. They're gone. Like, they checking under the car. They like, hell nah, ain't no way they got away that fast. I don't know what type of niggas these was, bro. These must be some super niggas, bro.
Off phone.
If they're somehow in the car or some shit. Bro, drop in the comments. Where y'all think these boys went? Where y'all think they, like, what the bro? They still ain't even get the dogs out there, bro. It's over with, bro. Nah, video over. Them boys got away. Dang. All right, man. Y'all gotta drop in the comments and let me know where the hell they went. Were these police just incompetent and didn't know where to look? Cause god damn, I don't unless they just flew into the air through the windshield or something. I don't know, bro. That's crazy.